Hello and welcome to my Ice Bucket Challenge. Thank you Nicola Faulkner for my nomination. I nominate David Ellerslie. I also nominate Race Car Consultants, Stoke by Nayland Hotel and Holly Hickman Brown. Here goes.
Hello, welcome to the second half of our Race Car Consultants Ice Bucket Challenge nominations. Thank you very much, Christine Davis, for your nomination. I would like to nominate my two fellow drivers this year, a certain Mr. Andrew Taylor and William Thorison. So I hope you enjoy, guys, and here we go. Eventually. That's a wrap.